Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and it's build a boat. I haven't did a build a boat video in a long time. This is my friend Oddsock. I had to tell him to say hi. And this is Ian. And we are. Don't listen to it. We are gonna build a boat. I ain't gonna build my boat. I don't know what they're gonna do. It won't let me click on this boat. This block. What the heck? Guys, I think I am very laggy. I'm gonna die. I haven't even done doing my boat yet, and I already died. Jeez. Well, I have to catch up to them, so I had to do my speed run car. Wait for it. Okay. It's pretty small, I know. It's pretty small. But it'll be good, and that's all we need to do. I'm gonna add a shield. I wasn't even ready, but it's okay. So I'm gonna drive my car. Is it broken? No, it's not broken. Let's go. My friend Kevin, he built a glitch thing. Let my friends go. They're doing glitches. I don't need to do glitches because now I'm so worried. Oh, still I'm dying. I don't die. What? No, 16 gold. I don't need that one. I need billion gold. So if I want billion gold, I need to make what they're making. I mean, I need my best boat ever. Where is it? What? So nice. Why? I think this is Kevin's boat. I'm not very sure. And I think I'm gonna ride it. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I had to tell them to wait. I think they wouldn't even listen to me. Oh, wait, I have 13 blocks. Golden blocks. Okay. Where's my thing? Yeah, I do this. It's actually frozen. Actually, so it's gonna be. My dad is so loud. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna say I'm ready and stuff. I spelled it wrong. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta beat the man. Oh. Oof. Oh. Oh man, I did not make it. Oh shoot. I'm last in line, bro. Swear to God. I keep on bumping into place. Don't even know where I'm going half of the time. Cause I seriously see nothing on the ground. I think I'm going the wrong way. Oh, there. I was going the wrong way. Oh, enough time for this. Oh shoot. Guys, I might not make it, but here we go. Oh wait, wrong destination. Wrong destination. I did the wrong destination, and now I'm probably gonna die. I don't care. I don't care. No, I died. Oh my gosh. I hate when I die. I think I already beat this one. Alright, I'm gonna climb up the whole staircase. Super boner right here. Come on, we don't have all day. Oh, fine. What happened? Oh, my screen glitched for some reason. Okay. But we're on top of here. I think he's making us something that don't even need. Bro, he's just building everything for us. Okay, I think you need glue. Oh my gosh. I need glue. Where can I buy glue? Where could I buy glue? The glue? I don't have glue. I don't have. What is glue? Where is glue? I don't have glue right now. Okay, there's no glue. Oh, you mean butter? That's butter, not glue. I think. That's the wrong stuff. I thought they said glue. I was like. No. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, that took a long time. Oh my gosh, I'm so new. So we launch our boats? Yes. Ooh. My sisters just came in the room. So we try and go like, woohoo! No, no, no! Wait, what is happening now? I made it for the hoop. Yeah, I didn't get no goal. What's the purpose of that? Well, looks like I just had to go to the end. Oh! Holy. This is just auto. Just do it for me. No, I don't want to go up. Go down. Go down. I didn't even press jump. Okay. Going through the thing. I think this, if I go for the right. Okay, get ready. Get ready. It's gonna pop. I don't know when, but it's gonna. Okay, now. Oh, shoot. Yippee! I did it. Okay, I don't get my gold. Go inside the chest before it closes. Oh, I went inside it. You're not gonna join my friend? Wait. Okay, guys. My friends joined this game, and what does he say? 1v1. I had to fight them. My gosh, I'm not good at this. Okay, 1v1. Go. Oh, this one's actually good. Oh, you can create your own weapons. I want this one. Oh, yes. And I want this one too. Yes. I also want this one too. I want this one. Tiki. Come here. Yeah, I hit him. Now's my chance. Go back. Oh, what the? I organized my weapons. Yeah, do it. Oh, so he says he destroyed me. What is this? Oh, so he's coming. I don't know where he's coming from, but he's coming. Me versus you. Yeah. What is these things killing me? Shoot, No, I don't want to sit down. That's crazy. What the heck? I'm flying with the chair. They said they got like Jesus cross thing. So, I don't know. Boom! Won it. What the heck is this? Bruh. Come here, stupid. Oh, Mickey Mouse! I mean, Benji the English thing. Okay, I got away from them. How are they following me? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I don't know how to do this. I don't want radio. Okay. I don't move this up here. Okay. Oh, shit. Move away from you, evil stink demons. Yeah! Yeah! What happened? Mark. Oh, shoot. I died. Not funny. Okay, there's Among Us is right here. I don't know which one to pick. So, I'm gonna go to... Ooh. Look at this one. Swords everywhere.
Put like that.
There's... Okay.
Some.
Hologram?
Press button.
Is it back sex? Okay, it only happened that I had to go upstairs, so everything was okay now. Stop. What is this? I don't know what this is. Come here. Oh, dude, he used the screen button. I must run away. Wait, yeah. I need a weapon very quick. What's this I choose? Okay, I got you. Let's see what this one does. Come here. Outside. It made it go away. Great choice. What is this one? Wow, that's amazing. No. Here. No. Put it right here. Do it for me, evil beast. I'm flying away from here. Chicka 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 hee hee. I can fly too. Come here. Where are you? Where to go? I'm flying with a chair. I'll destroy Kevin with this chair. Where is he? Yar! Yar! Hey, come back here. Okay. Looks like I have to. You know, like,
Oh God! No! No! Jesus! We will overcome the power of the sword! Oh God! No! Jesus! We will
come on. Get hit by a superpower. Oh my god. Yeah, he's a demon. He's gonna kill me. If I wait. Yeah. This recording has been 20 minutes. I'm gonna say I'm just trying to